Hi, I'm Paige.
Hi, I'm Amelio.
And we're students at Drexel University and culinary arts majors.
Today we are making two different types of hot chocolate. One is French and one is Mexican. In the Mexican recipe we have cayenne and chili powder, cinnamon, cocoa powder, and some high quality chocolates, as well as vanilla extract and locally sourced organic milk.
And then for the French, we are adding some sugar to this, heavy cream. The cinnamon is also going to be in the French. And there's also a different technique we will be using between the two hot chocolates. So milk and sugar and vanilla is going in this pan, and we're going to heat it up a little bit. And then in this pan, we're going to be making our chocolate ganache, which is going to be heavy cream and our chocolate chips.
Once they start simmering, then we're going to incorporate the milk into the melted chocolate and let it boil. Then I'm adding white granulated sugar.
And that's gonna simmer and make sure the sugar all dissolves. And while that's dissolving and kind of heating up, we're gonna start our chocolate ganache. And then we can take it off the heat and it's ready to serve.
You want to taste?
Yeah, let's taste it. It's very rich.
Yes.
Creamy.
You taste that cinnamon?
Yes. And that dark chocolate.
Oh yeah.
The good quality milk, hot chocolate can be very rich.
So we are making the Mexican hot chocolate, which uses cayenne pepper, chili powder, cinnamon, cocoa powder, and a blend of dark and milk chocolate, as well as vanilla extract and whole
Locally
milk.
sourced milk. We're adding 4 cups of milk,
3 cinnamon sticks,
the chocolate chips, and cocoa powder.
and then for a little kick, the cayenne and chili.
And then a splash of vanilla. After our hot chocolate has simmered a little bit, it's time to serve. You can really taste the spice with the Mexican hot chocolate.
It has a very distinct flavor.
Yes, I'd say so. Happy National Hot Chocolate Day!